I'm Sandy Coleman. I'm a mixed media artist, an art educator, and the creator of the Community Circle Project. My goal is to inspire connection through art making, which I hope will bring us great joy and help us create a better world for everyone. In 2019, I created the Community Circle Project and debuted it at the Martin Luther King Jr. event that was held in 2020. This year, the paintings from that event will finally be on exhibit. The Community Circle Project is a vehicle for collaboration, connection, and interaction through art making. It incorporates simple design and words in response to a prompt or question. The purpose of the Community Circle Project is to encourage us to reflect on our common humanity, our common dreams, goals, hopes for ourselves, our families, and our world. Participants who attended the Martin Luther King Jr. event were invited to answer a prompt in writing. In keeping with Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream for a better world, they were asked to imagine and write about the good they want to see in their lives and the lives of others. They also were asked to make decorative circles. I later took these separate pieces and brought them together into 3 large paintings. The Community Circle Project uses the circle because the circle itself is a symbolic representation of our connection. It symbolizes unity, inclusion, and continuity. The circles we create are reminders of our relationship to each other. If we can look at each other through a lens that shows us over and over again how similar we are, even though we are beautifully unique as individuals, we can create a world in which we are kind to one another, where we do everything we can to make sure everyone has a good life full of safety, respect, and equity. I hope you get a chance to see these paintings in person. Thank you. Be well. Take care.